It's okay.
Oh, it's perfectly okay. Exactly what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
I knew when you came out I'd have to give you up. Just now, 23 years almost, still not ready.
He's a good man.
Oh, he's the best one. Couldn't ask for a better one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would be giving you up.
You like it?
I love it. It fits good. Looks nice.
We
You look
train.
tall.
Yeah, do I good?
Are you going to dance in it?
I hope so. We practice.
Oh, yeah, we do, but I don't know. Your running man's
I'll hold it up.
Yeah, your running man's going to be, he'll be a running toddler.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Everything looks great. Hey, Crystal. Just want to say how much your mom and I love you, and we're proud of you for all your accomplishments. It'll be my honor to give you away today to Wes. We love you.
Crystal, as we stand here before God, family, and friends, I promise that I will always be honest with you. I promise today to be your navigator, best friend, and husband, to honor, love, and cherish you through all of life's adventures. I promise to always and forever be your confidant in you and mine. I promise to grow old with you and to keep the kid in you alive. I promise to love you tirelessly through the perfect and challenging times, regardless of how often you get distracted by something shiny. I promise, above all things, to remain unchanged in this. I promise that I will love you. I pledge to listen to your voice and occasionally take it. I pledge to never take score, even if I'm totally winning. I pledge to always admire your huge, strong, kind, and determined heart. I pledge that I will love you. I vow to listen for as long as it takes for you to feel heard. I vow to continue to strive for clear communication of my needs and expectations, and to hear and respect yours. I vow to watch in awe as you conquer anything that you face. I vow to be your unrelenting cheer squad on the days it feels too much. I vow that I will love you. I promise that I will always set the thermostat to about 10 degrees below your liking. I promise not to sweat the small stuff like unfolded sock drawers and clogged shower drains. I promise to be more faithful to you than to the hopeful Dallas Cowboys. And I promise to strive to love you as much as you love Grey's Anatomy.
It's gonna be hard.
I give you my solemn vow to be your godlike partner and lover in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad, and in joy as well as in sorrow. I give you my heart, my love, and my soul. I love you now and forever.
Well, dang, I should have gone first.
I think we should hear an amen.
Oh, well, mine's not that deep. Wes, as cheesy as it sounds, I fell in love with you the moment I walked into Goalkeep Pools. Your smile captured me and it felt like home. As our friendship grew, I knew I'd found the one that could make me laugh until I cry, brighten my worst day, and hold it all together when everything falls apart. As our relationship grew, you revealed your selflessness in making sacrifices that would not only better your life, but ours. The past 4 years together have shown me your commitment, your passion, your patience, and most of all, your love. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will grow to be together. I know that we are extraordinary together rather than ordinary apart. You have shown me that this is forever, and for once in my life, I'm not scared nor anxious, I'm sure, and I'm confident. After 650 days of waiting for this moment to become your wife, I promise you this. I promise to love and care for you, and I will try in every way to be worthy of your love. I promise to always be honest with you, patient, and forgiving. I promise to be faithful, supportive, and always put our family first. I promise to try to be on time. I promise to learn to communicate my feelings and pull you close instead of pushing you away. I promise to dream with you, celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. I promise to respect you, cherish you as an individual, a partner, and an equal, knowing that we do not complete, but we complement each other. I promise to follow you wherever life takes us. I promise to be your navigator, your consoler, your sidekick, your best friend, and the wife you deserve. I promise to help create a home filled with learning, laughter, and compassion. I promise to always share the last piece of cake, especially if it's chocolate. I promise to work on not going to bed mad or upset. It's going to be hard, but I'll do it. I promise to always kiss you goodnight. Again, hard, but I'll do it. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you. I promise to love you, even when I hate you. I promise no running ever. Nobody walks out, no matter what happens. I promise to take care of you, even when we're old, smelly, and senile. This is forever. And I know you know what that's from. I love you.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank everybody for coming out tonight. The venue is beautiful. We love it, but getting here, I understand the pain, especially on a Friday. So thank you all for making the effort to get out here. I also want to say thanks for everybody that helped out. The decorations, getting the food together, all that. There was a lot of hard work. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all give everybody a round of applause for helped out. The biggest thing we're here for, obviously, is the joining of Wes and Crystal. What? Stop. All right, Natalie, we'll talk. No, I'm not good at speeches because I always break up. But the biggest thing is, when Crystal was born, see, that's where I'm going. I knew I'd have her for a little while, but I knew I'd have to give her up. We fought it off for what, almost 23 years, but sometimes you've got to throw in the towel. She made some choices getting there that had her mom and I questioning her sensibilities. And I'm not going to lie, when I first heard about Wes, I'm like, nope. I don't know him, but he's a guy. He ain't good enough for you. Simple as that. Thank goodness, well, I wouldn't say one time you didn't listen to me. One of the many times you didn't listen, this one paid off. Dad was wrong. She couldn't have found a better guy. I mean, it's true, bud. Everybody knows what I used to do for a living. 21 years as a Denton officer. Yeah, you ain't getting nothing past me. He had a skeleton in his closet, and I was going to find it. No. I dug, there ain't nothing there. He's got the greatest parents. They've got great parents. And it shows as it just goes down from generation to generation. So it is, I gave her away today. No reservations. The allergies were getting me. I couldn't help that. Y'all get that too? But there's allergies. They just kicked in. But as tough as it is, as I was trying to get her to cry last night, last night was her last night as a York. For the rest of her life, it's a Gold Key. But she's earned it. Wes has earned that privilege to take her hand from me. And I want to thank them, and y'all give them your best so they've got a long, happy life. Love you, Pumpkin. All right, glasses up. Cheer them. Happy couple. Here, take this before I drop it.
For as much as Wesley and Crystal have consented together in holy wedlock, and they've witnessed the same before God and this company of witnesses here today, and having in solemn agreement to each other, having declared the same, by giving and receiving a ring and by joining hands, I now, in accordance with the laws of the state of Texas and looking to God our Creator, Redeemer, and Sustainer, I pronounce you husband and wife. What therefore God has joined together, do not let man put asunder. Wesley, you may kiss your bride.
Maybe.
Just stay there. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Wesley Wayne Goki.